Hey fam, welcome to TUMBS Up TV. You might be familiar with the concept of collagen coffee. But that's not exactly what we're covering here, remember. Caffeine may contribute to an afternoon crash, too. Instead, try making a simple chocolate collagen beverage. Either hot or iced, depending on your go-to beverage preferences. We love to add a tablespoon of coconut butter, too, for some healthy fats, which will help keep you fuller even longer. It's certainly optional, but it does provide a dynamic twist on the classic chocolate milk or hot chocolate drink. Before we continue, please share, subscribe, and like this video. Ready to whip up your blend? Let's go! What you'll need: 1.5 cups milk of choice, 1 scoop MBG chocolate beauty and gut collagen plus, 1 teaspoon honey, a dash of cinnamon. Optional, 1 teaspoon of coconut butter. For a hot drink. 1. Heat your milk. You can do this in the microwave or on a stovetop. 2. Melt your coconut butter. If you opt for the coconut butter you might want to heat it in the microwave or stovetop as well so it reaches a liquid consistency. 3. Add your ingredients. Toss in your collagen, honey, cinnamon, and melted coconut butter into the mug with your milk. 4. Mix. If you have an electric or manual whisk on hand, that'll be the best option to create a creamy texture. 4. Otherwise, mix with a spoon until your desired consistency is reached. How to? For a cold drink. 1. Melt your coconut butter. You'll need to melt your coconut butter in the microwave or on a stovetop so it reaches a liquid consistency. 2. Whisk together your ingredients with warm water. Add a bit of warm water, about a tablespoon, to your melted coconut butter and add in your collagen, honey, and cinnamon. 2. Whisk all of these ingredients together. 3. Add your milk. Then, add your milk to the cup and mix well. 4. Toss in ice. If preferred, toss in a few ice cubes once the drink is mixed. Benefits. Why opt for collagen rather than just cacao powder? Glad you asked. With a single scoop of this naturally sweet chocolate collagen, i.e., thanks to organic monk fruit and organic cocoa, you'll get a host of skin and gut-loving ingredients from hydrolyzed collagen peptides, to hyaluronic acid, to L-glutamine and plenty more. Research specifically touts collagen for some pretty impressive results. Most notably, studies show that these collagen peptides can support skin elasticity and dermal collagen density. How? Well, hydrolyzed collagen peptides have been shown to help promote the body's natural production of collagen and other compounds that make up the skin, like elastin and fibrillin. Another reason collagen supplements have become so widespread is their potential gut health benefits. While this is a newer area of study for collagen supplements, research has found that levels of certain types of collagen are lower in individuals with digestive challenges. Hence, you may experience more regular bowel movements. So, if you're going to treat yourself to a post-lunch sweet, why not make it a treat for your skin and gut as well? And if you're not into collagen drinks, consider adding a scoop of the MBG Chocolate Beauty and Gut Collagen Plus powder to yogurt, overnight oats, chia pudding, or any other snack you love instead. If you tend to crave a treat after lunch, make it a chocolate collagen drink that benefits your skin and gut, all while satisfying your sweet tooth too. Thanks for watching.